welcome back to my channel. As you all know that COVID-19 has affected people and businesses around the world. There are so many businesses which have shut down completely, while there are many industries which are still booming. In today's video, I'll let you know top 5 industries which are booming amid COVID-19. The first one in the list is the digital video streaming, commonly known as the OTT platforms. Compared to the traditional entertainment industry, which has hit hard, OTT platforms have seen a tremendous growth. It is a clear uptick in the number of consumptions as well as the number of subscription. Channels like Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, Disney Plus, everybody has seen a tremendous rise. It is estimated that there is around 80% increase in the number of consumption and 50% increase in the time spent on these channels. Clearly, this industry is booming. It's the next hot selling cake. The second one in the list is the online learning. Globally, 1.2 billion students are out of their classrooms in 186 countries. There is a distinctive rise in the demand of e-education. Even before COVID-19, the demand of e-education was around $18 billion in 2019. Thanks to Corona, it is expected to reach $350 billion. Video conferencing, online learning, and virtual tutoring are a part of the e-learning business. And that is why e-learning is definitely one of the sectors which is booming amid COVID-19. The third one in the list is the online grocery. This market is showing a considerable growth in this time of peril. It is estimated that online grocery had a business of around $180 billion and has a rapid growth of 20%. Companies are also now trying to introduce drones for their day-to-day operation so that the social distancing is maintained and the people can get their essentials time to time. Definitely there is a shift in the way people are buying and there are changes in the way people are thinking. The fourth one in the list is the online gaming. This section is growing rapidly during quarantine. Games like PUBG, Ludo King, Poker, Bingo, etc. have become very popular thanks to the smartphones and the younger generation. The estimated value of online gaming was $53,000 billion, but because of the quarantine and the lockdown, it has increased to $95,000 billion. It is showing a rapid increase of around 86% in the coming years. The last one in the list is the teleworking. Since people are not able to go out to their offices and work, virtual meeting and conferencing has become a necessity. Applications like Microsoft Teams, Skype, Zoom, House Party have become a part of day-to-day business. From 2019 to 2020, there is a major shift on the number of participants on this app. Last year, it was around 10 million participants compared to 200 million participants this year. So, these were the 5 industries which are growing amid COVID-19. The reason behind their growth is because they are giving something to the society which is required and which is necessary for our day-to-day lives. Hope you found the video interesting and informative. Do like and share my video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Until that time, stay safe, stay indoors and take care.